Why is it important to meditate? Study shows that regular meditation can lower the symptoms of depression, reduce the frequency of negative thoughts, and generate more positivity in life. Meditation can give you a sense of calm, peace, and balance that can benefit both your emotional well-being and your overall health. You can also use it to relax and cope with stress by refocusing your attention on something calming. Meditation can help you to stay centered and keep inner peace. For me, meditation is one of the best ways to improve my self-awareness. Regular meditation helps me develop the better understanding of myself. So, in today's video, I want to go through the top benefits of meditation as found by those who practice it, Silva Method instructors and Silva Method graduates.
The meditation part is very important. To tell you quite frankly, I always meditate formally, and I say formally twice a day. Formally, I mean like when you do the 3-2-1 method, and then you deepen and what have you. I do that in the morning when I wake up. I stay in bed, and I'm there planning my day. I'm picturing the things I need to do, people I need to talk to, work I need to get done, just even fun things. Then I picture my day unfolding, and then at nighttime, as I'm going into sleep, I always enter sleep with a meditation, and I drift off into sleep from there. But during the day, I do what I call mini booster meditations. I go in and out, sometimes for 30 seconds at a time, close my eyes, take a deep breath. I go into my inner state, and I ask myself a question, and then I open my eyes and I act on it. If I'm caught if I'm just like searching for an idea or a solution to something, or who do I need to talk to, I'll close my eyes. I use my 3 fingers technique a lot, and then I get the information and then I act on it. So for me, going in and out is a lifestyle. It's an easy way for us to meditate without going through the whole process of meditation. The thing I think that's really important for us to understand is that what's the purpose behind the meditation? Why are you meditating? So if you're meditating just because you want to be in a quiet state, fine, just close your eyes and stay quiet. But if you're meditating because you want to heal your body, then you're going to close your eyes and you're going to visualize the problem, and then you're going to imagine it returning to health. But you need to support that with your behaviors and your belief structures as well. Not meditation alone is not going to do it by itself. You need to be congruent in how you think, believe, behave, and how you support your meditation, and how you support what you desire to achieve in your life.
So I've started trying meditation. First of all, guided meditation. And that taught me so much about my body, what's going on inside, how I can release different tension and pressure and whatever was going on. And I loved it. And maybe that was also the time I needed it. And that's why the right tools came in the right time. And now I use meditation, again, to connect with myself, to see what's going on in my body. I tweak it to my own needs. So sometimes it's a dynamic meditation. I go for a walk and I meditate. And people say, oh, but you don't close your eyes. No. Because when
you don't have to. Yeah, you don't have to. Yeah.
You don't have to, because it's the matter of learning to tune in to yourself, to your inner self, and then it flows. So that's definitely something that helped me deepen connection with myself, understand how this process or how it all works, and trust my intuition 100%. It became really like I can feel it. I just feel it now, even in my body.
Well, first, meditation. I think it's very important, and I always emphasize it in my courses, that just relax, not just, but relaxing just for the sake of relaxation is also very important. The world is so full of information that our mind has a hard time tackling all of these bits. And we need to give ourselves peace, to be present in the moment. So just doing it regularly, maybe once a week, nothing else, no programming, just relaxing. Or maybe, well, once a month is okay. Obviously, everything is better than nothing, but maybe once a week, and there's nothing else but just peace, so that in that freedom, you begin to grow again. I think that's very important. And I'm not trying to say that programming is bad, far be it from me, not at all. It's wonderful, but just giving yourself that freedom of not to do anything is also very important. And obviously, I love programming. I love imagining the things that I would love to achieve or I would love to experience. I really enjoy that. And I think that's the key factor for the success of the Silva techniques, that it's enjoyable. It's not something tedious. It's not something that I have to do it. I have to do it, rather because it's fun. And if it stops being fun, then you should change the pictures. That is also something that I always suggest to my students or the people who take part, that if they started picturing one thing and they grow tired of it, they should change it, because it's the feeling that is going to push forward and turn our inner driver, so to speak, our subconscious over to doing all it can to reach those fun moments that you imagine.
I'm a very, very goal-oriented person, so I work. It just, first of all, Silva helps me to stop and relax. And this is what I didn't understand in the past when Kasia was saying, because like 5 minutes, I even started repeating it on my social media, like 5 minutes. And I just found, really, because it's like, it's what I really understand now, really, that whatever you are doing, whatever, like, even if you have I'm trying to say everything, even if you are very stressed or you have so many things on your plate, like stop and relax, because answers, like a lot of answers and a lot of questions we have on daily basis, they don't come to your mind when you are stressed. They only come when you are relaxed. So answering to your questions, I'm relaxing, I'm meditating. And how does it help me? It helps me with, for example, if I work with clients, of course, I can see a whole picture. I'm using my intuition thanks to Silva as well. So I trust myself more than I trust. And it's very powerful, because I'm still in the process of trusting myself more. But I know that if I feel something in my gut and like inside of me, I know that that's the answer. And even if somebody is telling me, oh, Marta, it's not right, I trust my intuition.
Jose Silva says meditation is a way, actually, to calm yourself, to calm your autoimmune system in minutes. Once you do that, you can expand the mind. What to use for? Not only for my own well-being, for the well-being of the others. And he says that we are here in this world to make the world a better place. I always teach my students and clients, I says, we are born here somewhere, we come through our parents, but they don't create us. And we die somewhere. So say that I'm 61 years old, I've been meditating 61 years. What it does, people who really do meditation, they know the mind expands. The mind starts acting in a very peculiar way to get information and to use information, which we consider this spiritual growth.
And according to you, why is it important to meditate? Share your thoughts in the comment box below. And if you want to meditate properly, make sure to sign up for my upcoming Silva Method classes, where I can teach you from the scratch, step by step, how to meditate. Also, please make sure to sign up for our newsletter to be up to date with our Silva community news. See you next time.